So this is day 2. Well, in theory it's day 3, but we skipped today as we was busy. So this is day 2 removing the interior. Today we're going to tackle the front seats, the centre console and the lower dash. And hopefully we can almost get the carpet out. Maybe. Probably not. Yeah, the hardest part about removing the boot area was this stupid trim along the windows with the hidden screws. However, that should be documented to make it far easier for you. Oh look, T50.
On a guess.
2 bolts at the back and 2 at the front, like most seats, well probably all seats actually. Under the seat, you move this to get the seat belt out. This bolt, that's T50 as well.
See? Easy. Yeah, 2 on front, we don't need to really tell that, do we? Easy stuff.
Easy stuff. The seat belt tension is here, someone's broken it.
Yeah, it was me, I admit it, get over it.
I'm glad you admit it.
Yeah.
You've broken it. That pulls the seat belt.
Yeah, you undo that while the seat's already on the floor.
Okay, so this is where the clip is. That's not a bloody screwdriver. How's that screwdriver?
Well, I gave you the
Look,
choice.
Screwdriver,
You may think that's the better tool. Have to wait. What was you saying about my tool? Remember what you said about it?
Well, it's still the wrong tool, basically.
Right, undo this seat belt.
Boat? Seat boat?
Yeah.
What seat boat?
That's the new name.
So these clips, it folds up. There's a tab at the back.
So how would you put it in there then? How would you put it back in? Rest it in.
Then it clips back down. This carpet's ditched. That bit's clean. Look at the colour difference.
It's pretty crazy.
That's not a screwdriver, by the way.
Yeah, but it did come in handy though, didn't it? You were in doubt.
So now the seats are out, we're going to do the centre console, which is this bit. What's this for?
It's just Vaseline.
Looks like bum butter to me. Alright, so centre console now. There's a few screws. So it clips out. There's 2 of these clips on either side.
Yeah.
So this comes out.
It slides down, 2 screws there for this armrest.
Here. So there's another screw here under the handbrake.
Camera's wonky, look at it.
So that bit comes out.
From there.
Yeah, at the back.
There's 2 screws here.
So where are they? Oh, so there's 2 7 bolts here.
Right, they're out.
Wondering if does this trim come off?
Must clip in the leather bit. Hey look, is that my cigarette thing? How the hell would it even get under there?
I don't know how to respond to that.
Looks brand new. Look at that. That looks badass now. Just screw that. Screw in the middle as well. Alright.
Yeah, these clips on the back. So there's 2 of these clips that hold the glove box straps in, one on each side. So this piece, basically you just need to pull it forward, it comes out, there's a couple of clips. Then you got the bolts below. So you do undo the 2 10mm bolts, and then the glove box drops out. So that's taken the longest of all of it to get a glove box out. So there's 2 screws under here. There's another Phillips in here. Put that back in there. There's a Phillips under here. There's also a Phillips here on the side, hidden behind a cover. Yeah. It's under this thing. As you can see, a little bit of progress. No one can argue they didn't put it together well by using as many screws as they could. One on this side as well. There's another one here as well, a black one. I think this is going to be one of those jobs where you have countless spare screws at the end of this swap.
Hey, maybe I might finally find that USB from the previous dude.
Oh yes, so apparently this is USB, but we've never found the port for the USB. So this is the moment of truth. Looks like it's moving. There it is. It's even got a USB. So you'd think if you install a head unit with a USB that long, you'd run an extension cable to the glove box where you can actually update your music. Well, halfway through, I think I'd recommend don't bother. It's every connector don't want to come off.
See, how easy was that?
Never know, you might find your knob in the dash.
Yeah, I wouldn't be that lucky, let's be honest.
So there we are. The lower dash is out.
I mean, really, if you know what you're doing, you know all those screws are, that is fairly straightforward.
Yeah, it's straightforward. The hardest bit was glove box because the screws are hidden.
There we go.
So that's the end of day 2. It turned out to be a nightmare, as expected. It's not so much difficult, it's more fiddly and tedious. The hardest part was probably the center console. But, you know, we've got there. We're starting to revise it, taking just a week, maybe 2 weeks. Because there's another step to the whole changing the interior, but that'll be a separate video. The reason why it's taking so long as well is we're only having an hour or so each night for a week. So that's why. Otherwise, it'd probably just take one whole day. One long whole day. Yes, so day 3, I think we'll finally get the carpet out.
Let's be honest, the front carpet's going to be a bitch.
Well, when we took Monroe or the E30s out, we cut the centre console bit where you don't see it. So I expect that's what we'll do on this one to make it slightly easier. But whose idea was this? Why couldn't you just be happy with grey interior?
Listen, yeah, this car was designed to have black interior.
Yeah, maybe, but...
Yeah. But by the time it's done, it's going to look incredible. It's going to look incredible. Anyway, end of day 2.
Ciao.